All right, I've got a 2012 Polaris Ranger that's been driving me bananas, and had a no start situation. And right off the bat, I was going to show you what turned out to be the issue for me after doing a bunch of things. But so there's a little white and black wire in here near the air filter, and the black wire, which I'm assuming is a ground, was worn through and rubbing, and basically nothing connected. So that was my problem, and I appreciate when other people share what their problems are and we can help each other out. Free counseling. So that was a big deal for me. So I would get barely a start, and then it would die, and then less and less, and it would start a little tiny bit when it was cold. I replaced the coil, spark plug, everything like that, but it turned out it was that wire.